Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are studying at home. Watch the videos regularly and practice the sound. Children, today I will teach you a new sound. The sound of letter alphabet D. But before that, children, we will practice the sound which we have done earlier. So, children, let's start. The sound and action for C and K is say. So the action and sound for C and K is K. K. The sound and action for alphabet E is E. E. The sound and action for alphabet H is The sound and action for alphabet R is R. R. The sound and action for alphabet M is Now children, we will learn a new sound. The sound of letter alphabet D. The action for D is D. And the sound is D. D. Now I will sing a song with the sound D. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with the D, 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 D. See me play upon my drum. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with the D, 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 D. See me play upon my drum. Now children, the words with the D sound are D, D, daddy. D, D, daddy. D, D, door. D, D, door. D, D, deer. D, D, deer. D, D, dog. D, D, dog. D, D, doll. D, D, doll. D, D, duck. D, D, duck. D, D, dolphin. D, D, dolphin. Children, from the book Creative Beginning, Language Skill, page number 43, worksheet number 39. Topic, letter and sound D. Circle the objects that begin with the sound of letter D. Dear children, you have to circle the objects that begins with the sound D. D, D, dice. Yes, it begins with the sound D. So children, you have to circle dice. D, D, door. Yes, it is having a D sound, and you have to circle door. Goat. Goat is not having D sound, so you have not to circle goat. Engine. Engine is also not having the D sound, so you have not to circle it. D, D, dolphin. Dolphin is having the D sound, so you have to circle dolphin. D, D, duck. Duck is having D sound, so you have to circle duck. Children, here you have to trace and write D, capital D, small d. So children, here you have to trace capital D, small d. Capital D. Small d. So you have to trace this line and this line also. Now children, worksheet number 40, page number 44. Topic, letter and sound D. D, D, doll. D, D, dog. D, D, duck. Trace and write. Again you have to trace small d. You have to trace the full line and capital D. You have to trace small d. Complete this full line, children. Then capital D. Trace this full line. Now here you have to trace and write these sentences. SEECMY my. DOLL doll. Doll. See my doll. SEECMY my. DOLL doll. See my doll. SEECMY my. DOLL doll. See my doll. Next sentence. GIVE give. ME me. A DICE dice. Give me a dice. GIVE give. ME me. A DICE dice. Give me a dice. GIVE give. ME me. A DICE dice. Give me a dice. Children, please write neatly the worksheet. Parents, please help the children in writing and tracing the worksheet neatly. Thank you.